Welcome to MadMapper 6 Masterclass. I'm currently sitting in a studio room with a very complex projection, lights and laser mapping, and we're going to make the whole set step by step starting from the scratch. Let me start from what is in this masterclass for you. This is a complete MadMapper 6 masterclass from beginner to intermediate. Understanding MadMapper as a tool and then apply them practically. Make few simple projection mapping with masks and shape, and then gradually add a projector and make a complex projection mapping, and then also add a TV so that we have a seamless video going on from the TV to our projection mapping to the guitar. We will also work with the basics of working with DMX fixture in MadMapper and also laser fixtures, and end up with making a complete timeline show with our lighting, visual and laser cues. But before that, let's understand what is MadMapper. MadMapper is a great mapping tool. Yes, it has complex professional features for projection mapping, it always had. But over time, it has evolved with lighting and laser support. So right now we can call it a visual mapping, because technically MadMapper is converting visuals to projectors or visuals to lights or visuals to laser. So it can be called a robust mapping software rather than just a projection mapping software. What is in this course? So we will start with the fundamentals of projection mapping. Then we will talk about the tools and hardware requirements of projection mapping. Then we will learn how to install and set up MadMapper in our computer. And then we are going to talk about the interface overview. Then we will talk about output panels and how to connect external displays or laser or lights. Then we will talk about media and content. Then straight up we will start drawing surfaces and lines. That way we will make a basic projection mapping. Then we will add another projector to make advanced geometric mapping on top of this guitar. Then we will learn about mask and groups. Then we talk about the library. Then we focus on our multi-display output setup. Then we will talk about making scenes, cues and timeline level 1. After that, we will learn to control MadMapper with external inputs such as MIDI controllers or live audio inputs. Then we are going to add a TV in our installation and make a seamless visual so that our visual starts from the TV and gradually flows to the projection mapping. Then we will talk about basic DMX mapping, of course basic laser mapping. Then we are going to talk about space scanner, which is going to make our life easy and save our time. Then we will make bunch of cues and plot them into one timeline to make a complete timeline show. Then we will highlight the best practices we must maintain to get the optimum output from our project. I have been using MadMapper for little over 14 years. MadMapper, the company, is always supporting me with all my efforts with my training and education. This masterclass is one of them. So I have produced hundreds of successful small to national grade productions in my career, and MadMapper had always been one of the core tools in my workflow. So I grew up over time and now I look different than this 14 years. So did MadMapper. So the interface evolved to something new each time they have added features, and with MadMapper 6 there is a big shift with the interface. So there are great knowledge resources available on MadMapper's YouTube channel, but they are mostly of older versions. So we are going to get a fresh start with this masterclass so that we can be master of MadMapper 6. But before we dive into MadMapper, we need to understand the fundamentals of projection mapping so that our brains are synced. That is what we're going to do in our next chapter.